and Midwifery Council. They're our regulatory body. If you're licensed as a nurse outside of the EU, then to come and work here you've got to do a competence test with the regulator. And there are only 3 places in the United Kingdom that you can do that test, and Ulster is the only one outside of the main London area. Okay? And most importantly, and you've got to remember this, we have got the highest pass rate. And that's not because, thank you, that's our first stop today. And it's not because our course is easier, okay, as some of our competitors would have you think. It's because the students say our staff are so friendly that they can relax and they perform really well on the day. They're well prepared and they perform well, okay? And also, it's really important to just mention, not just coming to study courses, but about the role of research, which is very important for every university in generating knowledge, which is really our reason for being. And 96% of our research outputs for the Institute of Health, Nursing and Health Research at Ulster is world leading. Which again is a really important accolade. So very important reasons why you come and study nursing at Ulster. This is just a little overview slide to give you an idea of the scale compared with some of the other institutions that you go to. We have about, that was in 2017-18, we had around 900 undergrads. We now have many more than that. Postgraduates around 300, and PhD research students, again for the size of this university on the island of Ireland, 43 PhD students in that year. Okay?
Sorry, for the undergrad students, how many of them are international?
How many international students? Small numbers too. The reason that we don't have many is that we weren't accepting international students, okay? Because we are very short of nurses in Northern Ireland, so the Department of Health were asking us to train more and more and more nurses, and we can only recruit as many nurses as we've got placements in hospital for. So the limiting factor was the number of placements that we had in hospital. So we have over 2,000 applications each year for 300 places. So we are a selecting university for our undergraduate courses. This year, this September, is the first year that we're accepting overseas international students under our, and we've got 5 places this year. Okay, but the numbers are likely to increase if our Department of Health numbers fall, because we have to, they're our main provider, so we've got to meet their needs obviously as a priority. Okay. What else do I want to tell you? This is just a slide to show you the extent of our reach for the School of Nursing at Ulster. And you can see that that again is quite extensive. All the green flags are countries that we have got affiliations with, either in terms of recruiting students or in terms of research collaborations. Or some of these universities are universities that we send our undergraduate students to for their overseas placement.